Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I have this box from Bradley Mountain. A little bit smashed from the shipping. Let's cut it open. It's kind of already half open. So Bradley Mountain is a company from California, I believe. I think they make all of their stuff in their local workshop. So let's take a look. They had a big sale during the Memorial Day weekend, and this tote was in a very good price, so I decided to pick it up. I know some of you that watching this channel probably wondering, why do you need another tote, and is this going to be my last tote? Probably not. Let's see. So this is their heritage tote, and it's made from their wax canvas and leather. I believe they call this color is their russet color. On the outside, it has this side pocket. I'm not sure you can actually fit in water bottle, but at least something, right? I think you can definitely stuck your phone in there if you need to, or maybe a skinny umbrella. Both sides you have this side pocket. It doesn't go down all the way, only till the leather area here. It stops at here. And then on the front it has another pocket. Just love totes with plenty of outside pockets. So far looks good. The price for this one was really good. I think more than 50% off. I believe they discontinued this product, so unfortunately you're not able to get this, but they do have other tote that's made with quality canvas that I think worth to take a look. If you are interested in made in USA bags, you should check it out. They have some great quality wax canvas products. And the leather is stitched to this kind of webbing straps. And then this is the inside of it. The top part has this reinforced webbing go all across the top part. So you would know this is a very durable tote because the handles go all the way, not all the way, but almost all the way to the bottom. So if you carry heavy stuff, this will help evenly distribute the weight so the handle can handle the weight well instead of pulling the top. So inside, the tote is pretty straightforward. It's basically a big empty space, but it does have this compartment, big separate compartment that you can use it to carry your laptop or your iPad. And then it does have this key fob to hook on your keys. When they released this tote, I was interested, but I didn't get it because back then I was more interested in getting leather bags from like Portland Leather Goods and other companies. So, but since they were on sale, I thought I would pick it up before they goes away. And now checking on their website, unfortunately, they no longer have this product available. This bag doesn't have fit, but it should be fine. So overall, I'm really happy with what I got today. And I know I have been getting so many tote bags lately, but somehow I'm just know that this is kind of the type of bag that I like to use. So I'm not worrying about having too many of them. And the good thing with tote bag is it's easy to organize because you just need a bag hanger. You can just hang them on the garment racks, so it doesn't take up too much space. As you can see, you can just flatten it like that. So, but recently I do get more, for example, like backpack and crossbody bags, and try kind of other type of bag. So hopefully you like today's unboxing, and If you'd like to see more, feel free to subscribe and let's talk more in the comment area. Thanks for joining me today. Bye!